Let's say you have $1,000 saved up and you decide to start a small coffee cart side hustle. Two stressful questions immediately pop up. How much should you charge? And when will you actually start seeing a profit? This is the essence of financial modeling. It's taking what you know about your money today to see what it will likely do tomorrow. The problem is that planning usually requires opening a massive, intimidating spreadsheet and typing out rows of complicated math formulas. Because that feels so overwhelming, most people skip the planning phase entirely. They just guess, risking their entire starting budget on a gut feeling. Today, AI chat tools can act as your personal financial translator. They take plain English and convert it into that exact same spreadsheet math for you. This changes everything for beginners. No more complex math formulas. Just ask a question. The first step is something called the brain dump. Instead of building a rigid grid of cells, you just open a chat box and type out what you know. Let's give it our coffee cart numbers. Rent is $200 a month. The coffee beans cost us $1 per cup, and we're selling each cup for $4. But before we ask for the result, we have to deal with a common quirk. Sometimes these tools can get a bit too creative and start making things up. If we don't set clear boundaries, the AI might try to be helpful by inventing extra expenses we never actually mentioned. We prevent this by setting up guardrails, giving the AI strict rules on how to handle our notes. At the end of your prompt, you just type, "Only use the numbers I have provided, and do not make up or include any outside data." That one sentence creates a secure sandbox. It forces the AI to stick to your exact variables, which makes the math predictable and reliable. The AI processes those notes and finds the answer. To cover our costs and break even, we need to sell 67 cups of coffee. It found that target instantly, turning our rough notes into a clear picture of what we need to stay in business. And now we can start scenario planning. This is where we change a single detail in our conversation to see how it affects the whole business. We can simply ask the AI, "What if I raise the price of my coffee to $5? The model updates immediately. The revenue line steepens, and the point where we start making money shifts to a much lower number of cups. You can test endless what-if scenarios just like this, instantly, without the stress of breaking a spreadsheet formula. The same conversational logic works for your personal household finances too. You can ask the AI to map out the long-term impact of putting an extra $100 toward your mortgage every month. Or you can provide your current savings and ask for the exact timeline required to retire 3 years earlier than you planned. Professional-level planning used to be reserved for experts with accounting degrees. Now it's a simple tool anyone can use to plan their week or their decade. I want you to test this process as soon as this video ends. Open up your preferred AI chat tool. Type in this prompt. "If I save $50 a week for 5 years at a 5% interest rate, how much money will I have?" Only use these numbers and do not make up outside data. When you hit enter, you will watch a customized, accurate mark of your financial future generate instantly on your screen. Planning your financial future is now as simple as starting a conversation.